Everyone, hope you're doing well today. Spencer Williams here, online business and sales coach, Canadian entrepreneur, and we're back with another lesson in Secrets of the Wealthy, where every single Wednesday we meet to talk about money, to talk about wealth, and to educate you guys on strategies so that we can start building wealth together. This is my favorite series because when you guys have money, you want to start businesses and you can get coaching, and I want to make you wealthy because it makes me wealthy too. But I can only tell you how. You have to still show up and take the actions every single day. Secrets of the Wealthy with Spencer Williams, where every single week we meet on our money so we can get our money right and build our net worth. Make sure you bookmark this, like the video, comment, subscribe. It's free and it helps more people get the information they need. Turn on notifications because every single week we meet on our money during Secrets of the Wealthy, and every week I want to meet with you to make sure you're getting your money right and setting yourself and your future family up long term. So come and meet with me every Wednesday, 5 to 60 minutes right here. Bring some paper and pens to take notes, and let's talk getting wealthy. Let me talk you into getting wealthy. So what we're going to talk about today is potential profit centers when you're investing and when you're negotiating. Number one is cash flow. This comes whether you work or not. This is my favorite type of money. I love cash flow. Number two is appreciation. That's the total value of an asset going up. Think of your parents. They probably made lots of money on their homes, right? On their houses. Too bad they didn't buy 50 of them 50 years ago, right? Number three is depreciation. This is legally shielding cash flow from taxes by deferring. Number four is leverage. And leverage allows you to earn a return on somebody else's money plus your own money. Number five is equity, right? And this essentially is buy low and sell high. And there's two different types of investing. There's fundamental and technical, or beta and alpha. Now, technical investing, guys, write this down. It's high skill. Technical investing is active. It's micro. It's technically shorter times in the market. It has lots of moving parts, and value in technical investing, you need to create the value. Now, on the other hand, fundamental investing, it's low skill. It's passive investing. It's generally macro. You quote unquote never sell. There's no moving parts, and you're buying intrinsic value.